Welcome back to the channel. Do an oil change on a 2018 Ford Ecosport. So it's a 2-liter non-turbo engine. Don't really need much for this. 5 quarts 0 to 20 oil, a FL 910S oil filter, 15mm socket. I just have a little short extension. Oil filter socket tool, and a ratchet. You can use a wrench as well. Pretty easy on this one. There's not a lot of covers. Go over. After you get your vehicle up on ramps, open the hood, check over the engine, check coolant levels, belts, hoses. You have washer fluid. Top off your washer fluid. Check your battery. Its connections, make sure they're clean, tight. Brake fluid, check your air filter. The oil fill cap is on the right hand side here, little valley. Pop loose, put it off to the side. Original dipstick is in the center here. It's pretty easy to read. I just brought this vehicle in, so oil level's a little high. Just wipe your dipstick down. Check your fluid before you do oil change. It's a good idea, so make sure if it's burning any fluid. Just wipe it off, put it back in the hole. Pull it back out. Trigger level just at the low mark. But this vehicle is due for an oil change, so let's get to it. Your 15mm, your drain plug is right back here. Come in, crack it loose. Make sure your drain pan's underneath it here. You can just spin it out. Oil filter's up over here. Let's see, oil level slow down a little bit. Slide the pan forward. We'll get the filter. It's on drain. Put your drain plug back in. Take a wrench. Tighten it down. You don't need to kill it. It goes into an aluminum pan. You can easily strip the threads, crack the pan. Just go snug. Whip off the area. Pull your drain pan forward. Get your oil filter off. It's rather convenient on this car. Everything's out in the open. There's no splash shields to remove. Just take your tool, crack it loose. Let your filter drain. Little tip, if you have any disposable cups, red solo cups, clear cups, something of that nature, that'll fit around the filter, you can use that. Set it up over the filter and remove it, it'll contain the oil for you. Filter off. That drain. What I do is check up here, make sure the old gasket has come off. There's no debris up here. Take a little bit of the oil, put a little thin layer on the gasket. It'll help it seal a little bit better. Once it's done draining, take a new filter. Screw it up in place. Just tighten it down by hand. You don't need to use tools on it. It seals perfectly fine. Just doing it by hand. Just want it snug. And just do a little housekeeping. Clean up around the filter. And make it easier to tell if there's any leaks. Once you're done, time to go up top, put some oil on it. Get done underneath. Come up, put your funnel in, put up the oil. This thing holds maybe 4.5, 5 quarts of oil. Normally I've always just put one of these in. By the time it circulates through the filter, you're right on the money. Dump in oil in it. Funnel out. Off the side. Place your oil fill cap. You're going to want to start the engine, let it run for about a minute or so, let it circulate. What you can do is check for leaks underneath. And once you're done, shut the vehicle off, let it sit another 30 seconds to a minute, and then check your engine oil level. That's it. Nice and simple. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. To do a engine oil reset on this one is push button start. Push your button twice or once to get everything on. Here we go into the menu. Use these buttons over here. So those opens, got done doing an oil change. Just click through all that stuff. In this menu, what I go to where it says get it to focus. The settings, hit OK. So it brings it to that. I think you would have believe you would have hit this button here. It'll bring up information. You would have hit the OK button. So OK, and that'll bring up. Let me get this thing to focus here. Person's got something on the gauge cluster here, and it's hard to see through it. So once that comes up, you're gonna want to push and hold the OK button, and it'll have a little indicator. It'll come across to signify that it's resetting the oil life. So just push and hold. Oil life is reset. Press OK to reset oil life. The little bar goes across, oil life is success. And just come back out. Your back button a couple times. You're all set.